Alright, so the vacation has begun. We are going to spend 3 days in Lake Charles. Just got a few days off from work and decided to go ahead and check out the Golden Nugget. We've got, I think, 2 nights free rooms during the week. So me and the wife decided to go ahead and head on down here, and we brought her mother along as well, so she has got the gambling bug as well now. So we're gonna go test it out, and not sure how long this video is gonna be, how much they're gonna let me film there, but we're gonna go check it out and we'll get back to you. Alright, so now we are crossing the Texas state line going into Louisiana. There it is, the sign. And we are about 2.5 hours into our journey. We got about 30 minutes left until we get to the Golden Nugget. And then we get to relax and have some fun. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, so now we're pulling up. Here's the Nugget. We are going to valet. Understand it's free valet parking for guests. So we're going to go in, pull up to the front, and get our bags pulled out. And then we're a little early for check-in. So we'll see if we can get some bags held, and then we will hit the gaming floor. Alright, so there's a Starbucks here, which that's always good for everybody that likes the expensive coffee, like me. We did decide to go ahead and break for lunch after gambling for an hour and losing half of our bankroll. But we decided to eat at the Cadillac bar, and here was my margarita. It is gone. And here was my food. I didn't like it at all, as you can see. Actually, I had the tacos al carbone, and it's better at the regular Cadillac bar, to be honest with you. But taco salad seemed to be a pleaser, somewhat. But anyway, that's it. And so we'll see if we can sneak you guys into the casino a little bit later. Alright guys, so here we go. Got the bonus feature. We're going to try and see if we can get anything. One golden head. I don't know if you can hear me on this or not. 2 more golden heads. But another one, so the Eagles are gone. Only 1 game left though, no re-trigger. I don't get a re-trigger, it's a waste, Alright, $6. Nothing great. We'll try again. Alright guys, so we finally got into the room, and we've got just a basic room. Like I said, we've actually got two. We've got one on one side of the gold tower and then one on the other side. So basically the same room, just different view. Pretty nice rooms, not gonna lie. We've stayed at the Horseshoe in Lake Charles in the past, and this one blows it out of the water. So quick little view, right as you come in the door, you do have a closet, with a little extra blanket and some stuff to store. We did already move some of our things in here. However, we haven't really used the room, but it is a little bit of a mess. So I'll show you the bathroom. It does come with a full tub. Pretty cool. Not that anybody here is going to use the tub, but that's all right. Nice little vanity there. You can see there. Plenty of room in the toilet room. And then the shower is a good sized shower as well. So I have not tested the water pressure yet. In fact, you know what? While we're here, it's pretty good. I don't think there's going to be a problem with that. So pretty cool. Oh, and you can see here, this looks like it looks into the toilet room. It looks the same way on the other, but you can't see through it. Kind of interesting, but gives you a little bit more light in there. All right. Come on back. You do have a mirror. Not really sure how you're supposed to, I guess you can see yourself with it. They do have connecting rooms. We did not have that availability when we checked in, even though we requested it, but they can't promise it, so no big deal. This gives you an idea of the room size. We've got the king bed in both of the rooms. Again, they're identical. So you do have, let's see if I get some lights. I gotta turn them on by the lamps, I guess. But you got some power outlets here. Little light switch. So you got some power switches. Phone, which of course you'll never use because we all have cell phones. Channel guide with the remote. Smoke-free environment, except in the casino where you're gonna get blown out by the smoke. That's all right. All right, let's see. TV with the sitting area, pretty neat. Gotta say, that's actually a really cool idea. I guess the rooms are a little bit wider than a lot of other hotel rooms. I'm guessing that's why that makes sense there. There is no mini fridge, which that kind of blows. But there is a safe right here in this top little section. So, safe right there. We've already got some trash in there. Another mirror. And some drawers you can utilize. Chair. Looks like an alarm clock that is rightfully turned off. I don't know if you guys have ever had an alarm clock in your room when you're on vacation and all of a sudden that thing's going off at 7 a.m. That'll really upset you. And then we'll show you the view. So it's not absolutely incredible, but at night, and I'm going to try and get a picture of it at night. We'll see how this camera. Kind of cool that we've got the LeBears right across from us, and then the river. Got this little balcony, and I hear somebody screaming. You got little boat docks there. This boat's taking off. The LeBears right across. That's going to be pretty cool. And then you got the golf course over there to the right. If I can get a view, a video of the view from the other room, I'll show you. It has a nice little view of the golf course and the pool. And the pool looks amazing, but today is Monday. School just let out. It's right at the end of May, and it is packed. And when I say packed, there are adults and kids all over that place. Now it's got a lazy river, a couple of other little separate pools, it looks like, got a bar in the middle, got cabanas. Really looks kind of cool. Don't know how much time we're going to spend there. I'm going to try and probably go spend some pool time tomorrow in the morning, and that may be about it, because it looked like it got a little too crowded. I'm not real big on crowds. So anyway, so that's our room. Kind of just show you from this angle what it looks like. Again, got some of our stuff in the way, but overall, nice room. We like it. It's not a suite. It's not. They do have corner suites, presidential suites, lofts here. Don't know that we'll ever gamble enough to get to any of those through the Golden Nugget, although through MGM properties, that's made available. But we'll see what happens. So anyway, on to the next part of our story. And as promised, here it is at nighttime. Got a little bit of a roof, but there's the river, and then there's the Berge. Not bad.
Oh, really?
Alright, well, I didn't win anything. Lost every dime I came with. However, the wife managed to make up for both of us with this win. I don't even know what the total is, but she got the major at 927. So, woo, that's a good ending.